let's consider another examples using superposition theorem. Here we need to determine current in 10 ohm resistor, and also we need to find out the power consumed by 10 ohm resistor. So first of all we need to find out current flowing through this 10 ohm resistor, then power loss. What is power consumed by this resistor? I square R. We need to solve this problem by applying superposition theorem. So what is the first step? Apply homogeneity. Here there are two independent voltage source, that is 12 volt and 10 volt. In superposition theorem, individually we need to find out the response, that is response due to 12 volt and response due to 10 volt. When we are considering 12 volt, we need to replace 10 volt as short circuit, and next time when we are applying 10 volt, we need to replace 12 volt by short circuiting. Let's see that one in detail. So first step is apply homogeneity. So let's consider 12 volt case A. Let's consider 12 volt active and 10 volt short circuited. So corresponding to that condition, the circuit is, this is 12 volt, this is the resistance 1 ohm, here we can have one resistor 10 ohm, and here we can have 2 ohm. The voltage source is made short circuited, the voltage source is short circuited. So this is the corresponding equivalent circuit when we are considering 12 volt active and 10 volt short circuited. So first of all, in order to find out this current, we need to find out the main current I. Say this is I10, current flowing through 10 ohm resistor. Then by applying current division rule, we can find out the current flowing through 10 ohm resistor. Say this is I10 dash. So in order to find out I10 dash, first of all, we need to find out the main current I supplied by this source alone. After obtaining this main current, we can apply current division rule in order to find out I10 dash. What is the equivalent resistance? R equivalent under this condition is 1 plus 10 ohm in parallel with 2. So 1 plus 10 into 2 divided by 12. So answer is coming as 2.667 ohm. So the current is, the main current is voltage divided by total resistance, that is 12 divided by 2.667, which is coming around 4.5 ampere. Now we need to find out I10 dash. In order to find out I10 dash, we can apply current division rule. I10 dash is equal to main current into other branch impedance, that is 2 ohm, divided by total impedance, that is 10 plus 2, which is equal to 12. So which is equal to 4.5 into 2 divided by 12, which is coming as 0.75 ampere, So this is the first part, that is the response due to 12 volt alone. So next we need to consider 10 volt source alone, 10 volt active, 12 volt short circuited. So under this condition, the equivalent circuit is this is resistance 1 ohm, 12 volt is short circuited, here 10 ohm, then 2 ohm. Here again we need to find out this main current I, then we need to find out I10 double dash due to 10 volt source alone while making 12 volt source short circuited. So in order to find out that one, similar to first case, we need to find out R equivalent. In this case, R equivalent is 2 plus, these two things are in parallel, so 10 into 1 divided by 11. So what is the value? It is obtained as 2.909 ohm. What is this current I under this condition? Voltage divided by R equivalent. What is voltage? 10 volt. R equivalent is 2.909, which is coming around 3.4375 ampere. Now we need to find out I10 double dash. I10 double dash is equal to main current into other branch resistance divided by total resistance. So what is other branch resistance? 1 ohm divided by total 10 plus 1, 11. I is obtained as 3.4375 into 1 by 11, which is obtained as 0.3125 ampere. So next step is apply additivity. So when we are applying additivity, current through 10 ohm resistor I10 is equal to I10 dash plus I10 double dash, which is equal to 0.75 plus 0.3125, which is coming as 1.0625 ampere. So 1.0625 ampere is the current flowing through 10 ohm resistor. So next part of this problem is to find power consumed by that 10 ohm resistor. Power consumed by 10 ohm resistor is equal to I square R, here I10 square into R, which is equal to 1.0625 square into 10, which is coming around 11.29 watt. So the power consumed by 10 ohm resistor when 1.0625 current is flowing through that resistor is 11.29 watt.